Morning folks, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to be doing today is putting in a regulator here. Pressure's really high, and so what we're going to do is we're going to, this right now it's PVC. We're going to change from here to the regulator with brass fittings, and I'll explain that to you once we get into it. Okay, so here's the brass parts we're going to be using. It's going to go something like this. Here's, we need to, because we have a 1/2 inch there, we'll have to use a bushing. What's this right here? This will go in here, and this will go like this. That will be the first part of it, and then we'll get this guy in here with this guy right here. Maybe like that. Of course, with these things here to go right here. Alright folks, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some assembling first, so we need to shut the water off, and the more we have put together, the faster we can get the water back on. So we'll put these here. Right here. Alright, I got that ready to go, and so when we take off the other part there, we'll be able to, and put this on there, we'll be able to shut it off right away, and then we can keep the water on for the house and do the rest of the work. Alright folks, so we're going to get started here. Went ahead and put this on first too. So. Okay, now we can turn the water back on. Got some paint on it, so we gotta take that layer of paint off. And we're doing it with a primer. is, folks. Well, we're going to test it and see what happens. Have the water on here. Leaks. Looks good. All right. Well, that's it. Stay tuned for the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section.